Today, quite a special day. First flight of the JS5 prototype with a new Solo Silent balance engine. So we're quite excited. So we've done quite a bit of flying with the engine, with the prototype engines and the development flights, but this is the first real engine coming out of the production line from Solo. So we're quite excited to demonstrate this capabilities of this engine in this platform. So first flight conducted with a Solo S silent engine, low vibration, but it feels like no vibration. Absolutely phenomenal. So I think a big hand to the team who developed this engine. It is just phenomenal, lots of power. I really say it's less vibration than our JS3 RES system. It's just such a smooth operation, 4 meters per second climbing without water in the JS5. So smooth. Climbed up to 3,000 meters now and did an hour of air-to-air with the engine, and there was not a single moment when I thought that something doesn't feel right. Absolutely great system.